here's how you can tell the difference between someone that is actually an affiliate marketer and someone that is just pushing links to make money. You ask them, where's the best place to promote a product or service? And if they answer anything other than it depends, they are just link pushers that don't know what they're talking about when it comes to affiliate marketing. What I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to show you how to actually know where to promote your affiliate links so that you can actually make money and not just push links. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. I create content to help you make money online. So there is a epidemic out there where there are a ton of people that claim to be affiliate marketers, and really they're just pushing links. They have no idea what they're doing, and it gives affiliate marketing, quite honestly, a bad name. So what we're going to do in this video is we're going to take a look at a term. We're going to look at it at different traffic sources so that you can see that it really all depends on the product that you're promoting. I get asked this question all the time. Where's the best place to promote a product or service? And my answer is always, it depends. It depends on the niche that you're in, and we'll look at that in just a moment. It depends on your target market. It depends on your target audience. And it depends on how fast or slow that you want to get traffic. That's the real answer when it comes to how to promote your affiliate links. Everybody that's telling you to just jump on TikTok or jump on YouTube or jump on Instagram is wrong. They're wrong because how could they know without knowing more information about your business? So what I recommend everybody do, tip number one, go out and figure out where your target audience hangs out. Okay, that's where you want to promote your affiliate links. And let me give you an example here. What I've done is I've jumped over to TikTok and I've typed in the term basket weaving. And we can see here that the top result, 171,000 views. So you're looking at anywhere between maybe 7,000 and a 250,000 views. So people are going to tell you jump on TikTok and create content about basket weaving. Okay, maybe. That depends. But if we look at YouTube here, and I just typed in basket weaving once again, the top result has 94,000 views, 87,000 views, 2 million views from 9 years ago. So if we were to compare the two, it probably would make more sense at this juncture to create a YouTube video and not just to jump on TikTok. Another way that I looked at it is I just typed in basket weaving into a Hrefs. It's a paid keyword research tool, and you can see that it gets about 36,000 searches per month. People are asking different questions about basket weaving. For example, we can copy basket weaving patterns like this, paste it right over into our Google, and then you can see that there are different results. Now, this is interesting because it can also bring up Pinterest pin results as well. As you can see here, 300 basket weaving patterns. So this is a better indicator of where you could potentially go to create content. So if we look at basket weaving forums is another place that you could go to create content. So if we looked at underwater basket weaving forum and we take a look at how active that community is, that could be a great opportunity, a great place to create content. This actually looks like it's more of a blog, but if we scroll down, you can see that there are tons of basket weaving forums out there, even a Discord, where you could create content and make money. So let's talk about how you can actually figure out where the best place to go. And I haven't even mentioned Facebook or Instagram or LinkedIn or any of those other places. What you want to do is you first want to identify who your target audience is. So if we are creating content about weightlifting, instead of just trying to target everyone that's interested in weightlifting, losing weight, we want to identify a sub market within weightlifting. I want to help people that want to lose weight. I want to help women over 50 that want to lose weight. So now that we know that, we can ask a question to Google. We can say, where do, and this might actually, it hopefully doesn't end up weird, but where do women, we could look up like, we could type in best social media platform for women over 50, like this. And it's gonna, look at this, 20 best social networking sites for over 50s. So we click on this here. Now it's actually going to give us a few things that we never even considered. Silver surfers, that's interesting, allow cookies. But you can see that this potentially could open up a whole new world that nobody else is talking about. I guarantee you that no one is talking about silver surfers. No one's talking about Stitch or Senior Chatters. No one's talking about these websites because most people aren't actually doing the work of an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing means that you are marketing. It's just that you are marketing other people's products and services. So you can type in something like most popular social media sites for the older demographic. Look at this one. How to target older demographics with social media marketing. We click on this. This can give us a list of places: Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest. So that's going to be a better way. You want to research your target market. Don't just jump in and start promoting links on places where people aren't. For example, let's see if women over 50 are over here losing weight. We could type in weight loss for women over 50. Now, if we look at this, 400,000, so 500,000 views, top result. It looks like 500,000 views, as you can see, where people are creating content about weight loss for women over 50. If we look at YouTube once again, we can type in weight loss for women over 50, like this. And let's see here, 200,000 views, 21,000 views, 50,000 views. The best tip that I can give you is go to where your target audience is already hanging out. Don't force them over to TikTok because that's where everyone's telling you you need to be. You want to be where your target audience is already hanging out. Most marketers make the mistake of just creating content because someone told them to create content there. And then when they don't get traffic and they don't make any sales, that can lead to frustration, and that can lead to people saying that affiliate marketing doesn't work. So absolutely, the first thing that you want to do is you want to identify your target audience. Okay, now that you have your target audience, where do those people hang out? And if we look at this, let's see, let's go back over to, let's go back up to this one, Silver Surfers, for example. What we can do next is we can look and see how many people are on this website. So we can copy Silver Surfers like this, and we can go back over to Hrefs, and we can actually paste this in and get an idea about how much traffic it gets per month. And this is a better way to market. Don't just blindly market somewhere because that's where people are telling you to go. You can see they get about 19,000 searches per month, but these are targeted, highly targeted searches based on your target market and your target audience. But then we can even do something like Facebook, because Facebook was one of the best places. We could do like Facebook demographics. Now, the problem with this is that this isn't sexy, okay? This isn't cute, make money in the next 18 seconds. And this is why, quite frankly, a lot of people struggle. Look at this. Seniors age 65 plus are the smallest demographic on Facebook at 4.8%. So Facebook might not be the best place based on this research. So you're going to have to spend time to figure out your target audience, okay? Don't just blindly promote because that's where someone told you to go. And then, like I mentioned, this isn't sexy. This isn't the, hey, you're going to make money in 28 seconds type of content. And so people aren't going to like this video. So if we look at this one, 19 Facebook demographics to inform your strategy in 2022. You want to be the best marketer. The way that you make money just so happens to be affiliate marketing, but your goal is to be the best marketer for your space. Facebook is the most popular social media network for men and women between 35 and 44. Okay, so that should let us know that if we want to target someone between the ages of 35 and 44, go to Facebook. We can also do the same thing. We can see like YouTube demographics, and this is going to help you better promote stuff. This is going to give you better success. If we look at these statistics, you can comb through them yourself and you can find the best way to promote. If you do this, look at, there are over 249 million users age 65 above on YouTube. This is the key to affiliate marketing, okay? Not some of the BS that you're gonna see on the other channels. People telling you just create a TikTok account and people will show up. Maybe not, because it really depends on your niche. It depends on your target market. It depends on what their goals are, okay? Don't listen to people that tell you that you have to promote somewhere simply because that's what everyone else is doing. That is absolutely false. But the purpose of this video, how to promote your affiliate links or where to promote your affiliate links is simply go where your target audience is. Don't try and make them come to you, because 90% of the time that's not going to work. Go to the platform that they're already hanging out, create content there, figure out the type of content that resonates with that target audience, and then create that type of content and you can make money. Okay? That is the way to market in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is not just pushing links. It is identifying your target audience, going to where they hang out, and solve their problems. Once you do that, you can make almost an infinite amount of money. Now that you know how to promote your affiliate products the right way, watch this video next to learn how to get started with affiliate marketing.